Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation on image generation in generative AI. In this presentation, we will explore how AI can generate realistic and creative images using models like guns, style gun, cycle guns, diffusion models, clips, and text to image systems like del.e and stable diffusions. And what is image generations? An image generation is a process where AI creates a new realistic images from data or text prompts. Image generations used in art and design, entertainment, and data augmentations. For examples, AI creating a photo realistic images of cat wearing a sunglasses. What is GANs? GANs is a generative adversarial networks. GANs introduced by Lan Goodflow in 2014 contains of two parts. One is generators and discriminator. Generator is a creates a fake images. Discriminator checks if the image is real or fake, and both compete and improve through training. For example, generating a human faces that looks real, and deepfake and AI portrait generates, and generator and discriminators and adversarial groups, and generated to the discriminators are converted to the loop, generated to discriminator, discriminator to generators. And GANs are like a game between two networks. One creates an image, the other circuits them over time. The computation leads on incredible and realistic outputs like generating the human faces that looks real. What is style guns and cycle guns? Style guns are developed by Nvidia, special type of gun that generates high resolutions human faces, adds a control over styles like hair color, lighting, expansions of etc. For examples, creating thousands of unique celebrity like properties, and cycle gun used for image to image translations without pair examples and can change one style to another. Example, horse to zebra, summer winter, work by learning cycle constancy. For example, turning a photo of horse into the zebra image without direct pairs. Cycle gun learns transformations between domains. It can remaining images in new styles while keeping their core such as. What is the diffusion models? Diffusion models work by gradually removing a noise from random pixels to from meaningful images and train on millions of test image pairs. For example, input a cat astronaut in a space and output a generate the artwork. And what are the diffusion models workflow? Add a noise gradually to an image, train the model to reverse the noise, and generate realistic data from pure noise. For example, they are stable diffusions del.e. Diffusion models are current start of the art. They are imaging the images from the noise guided by the text discretations. What is the clip? Clip is the constitutive language image pre-training. It is developed by OpenAI, learns to contain text and images and understanding the semantic meanings between language and visual contents, and often combining without diffusion models. For examples, they are text a dog playing a guitar. Clip helps verify the generating the images matches the prompt. Clip is bridges the gap between the language and vision. What is the text to image models? Text to image models combining a clip and diffusion models for prompt based image generations and generating the stunning the art and product designs and storyboards. For famous models like del.e and mid journey and stable diffusions. For example, prompt and futuristic city and ocean beautiful of AI arts, and these models make a creative and accessibility. Everyone can describe an idea and AI paints it. Right now, our conclusion here. Thank you so much watching the video.